Asa naman akong dagwen eh. Hello, good morning! Ato ning tango ng akong dinhi. Sige lang gini siya kapilpak. Alright. There you go. Hi! Good morning. Good evening diha ninyong tanan sa America. Good morning diha sa Pilipinas. And hello world. So, grabe ako. 5 ka kilo ako. Well, I just decided to go online. Go live di ay. Naalam ko yung mga few something to share. Mga dramas of the heart. Charing. Alright, shout out ta sa to ang 3 million viewers. Mag-kwanta din. Sound check. Nabatay tingog din ha, mga bay? Nabatay tingog? May nabatay, you hear me well? Hello, Inday. Shout out kay Señorita Enchantress. Inday. Naririnig mo ba ako? Okay. Alright. So, I just got a few songs that I wanted to, salamat naman. Ang hirap. Yung setup ko kahapon na ano na naman siya, na tawag dyan, na-corrupt na naman siya. So, alright, let's wait for people coming in. I can't really. Thank you so much, Bev, for coming to my channel. I hope this turns out well. Romeo is bleeding. You can see his blood. Nothing but some feelings. His own dog get done. Raining since you left me. Now I'm drowning in the flood. See, I've always been a fighter, but without you, I give up. I can see your love song like the way it's meant to be. Well, I guess I'm not that good anymore, but baby, that's just me. Be, let's be friends on be, TikTok, be. I-ano mo, send mo yung mo dito, yung link sa TikTok. Mahilig din ako mag-TikTok eh. Sabi ganun. Hello, Jed Duplicate. Hi, Inday Mary. You have a beautiful voice. Love you forever. Oh, thank you, baby love. Shout out kay Jed Duplicate. Yeah, there you go. Inday Señorita. Tirahin mo na daw. Hold on. All right. So you guys I'm trying to share this live stream. Sorry, bear with me, please, because I'm not so sure how to do this thing. All right, there you go. I see it now. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Yes, right now Wak Wak is live. There you go. I'm sharing it to the team, so we can have people around here. Do bear with me, but marami po tayong banana split. I could, if you told me to die for you, I
it. Thank you so much for patamsak naman dyan. Daghang salamat. I'm trying to master my craft over here. I'm so sorry. But thank you so much for stopping by. And this road dies, but baby, if you just give me one more try, we can pack up our old dreams and our own lies. Find a place where you stand till shine. Double, triple. There you go. Ang tanong ni ni Jet Duplicate if I'm daw po, single. I'm double. Wow, hello sa Echo. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. Yes, babe love, thank you so much. Yes, I will send you a message later. Still feels like first night together. Feels like the first kiss. It's getting better, baby. No one can better this. Still holding on, you're still the one. I remember the smell of your skin. I remember everything. I remember all the moons. I remember you, yeah. I remember the nights, you know I still do. So if you're feeling lonely down, you're the only one I ever want. I only wanna make it girl. So if I learn a little more than I should, please forgive me. You know not what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me if I need you like I do. Baby, believe it, every word I say is true. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Okay, what song is that? Let me know what song is that. We'll try to sing that song. Still feels like first night together. Feels like the first touch. Still getting closer, baby. Can't get close enough. Still holding on. You're still number one. I remember the smell of your skin. I remember everything. I remember
still do. So if you feel alone and down, you're the only one I ever want. I only wanna make it good. So if I love you a little more than I should, please forgive me. I know not what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me if I need you like I do. Please believe me when I say it's true. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Sure. One thing I'm sure of is the way we make love. The one thing I depend on is for us to stay strong. With every breath and every word I'm praying is what I'm saying. Please forgive me. I know not what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me if I need you like I do. Baby, believe me, the word I say is true. Please forgive me if I can't stop loving you. Don't believe me, every word I say is true. Please forgive me, I can't stop loving you. Salamat sa takla. Welcome to my munting payag. I know you guys are working. That's why nag-live ko, because you guys are working. Yes, so slow rock ta kay na drifting the melodies of the heart. Charing. Gabeg ako eh. Yes, para sa mga naiwan at mga nang iwan. As I send the smoky room, nights about to end. Pass my time, strangers, but this bottle's a only friend. Remember when we used to park down Butler Street out in the dark? Remember when you lost the keys and you lost more than right in my back seat, baby? Remember when we used to talk how buzzing out we break the hearts together forever? Yes, don't say goodbye. Never say goodbye. You and me and my friend. Hello, Inday K. Salas, Ivan Blog. Hi, hi, hi. Nay magpatakla. Please meet my friend J Duplicate. Yes, meet my friend J Duplicate. You at akong K? Yes. Do you remember? Do you remember the days? Katong maglaglag patas kolon. Tas kaya kung may ko, mubuak ang bangko. Remember days of skipping school, racing cars and being cool with a six-pack and the radio. Yeah, we didn't need no place to go, babe. Remember at the prom that night, you and me, we had a fight, but the band had played our favorite song. I held you in my arms so strong. say goodbye. Never say goodbye. You, me, and my old friend, holding it would never end. Say goodbye. Never say goodbye. Holding on, we gotta try. Holding on to never say goodbye. Yeah. Hello, Apo ni Basyang Kuela. Hello, hello. Don't forget to make friends with our friend here, J Duplicate. J Duplicate says, wow, my favorite, Never Say Goodbye. Bon Jovi, yes. Never say goodbye to you, kay Inday Mary. Wow, may na-inlove na yata sa akin. Forever, never say goodbye. Never say goodbye. You and me and my old friend, hoping it would never end. Say goodbye. Never say goodbye. Holding on, we gotta try to never say goodbye. Yeah, rock and roll. Let's do some slow rock. Do na ba kayo yung mga record? Do you have any favorite song that's drifting from the hearts? Just like that one. Shout out kay Apo ni Basyang Kuela. Again, Kay Sala, thank you so much for stopping by. Sabong Vlog. Yes, absolutely. And of course, Senorita Enchantress and our friend here, J Duplicate, who's been sending us flowers over here. Sana all.
In this video, I'd
Yes.
like to show you the brand new Huddle Key.
Okay, so ano muna tayo? Let's take a quick break and make friends with people over here. Hello, Sir J Duplicate. Where are you from, sir? Sorry, akong echo. Where are you from, sir? We have some many friends over here, and most of us here are Filipinas and Filipinos. But you know, we are very friendly. Kay Sala here, she has a very nice channel too. She sings cover songs, and she has a very sweet, beautiful voice. And if you want to visit her page, also feel free to visit Kay Sala Saibang Vlogs, a beautiful lady from, well, she's in the Middle East, but she's from the Philippines. Yes, am I right, Dai? Yes, so ads pa man mga bay. Let's see. Yes, our next song will be another slow rock. Hello, Echo. Okay, it's not playing. Sure, let's go visit Kay Sala. And of course, Sabon Vlog. Let's go and visit this beautiful lady, Sabon Vlog. She's dropping a link, J Duplicate. Come on. Merry Christmas to you also. Hi, Inday. Merry Advance Merry Christmas to you, Inday. Okay, God bless. Alright. Oh, this, alam mo, I think this is For Loving Me. Is that you, For Loving Me? Si ano to eh? For Loving Me to eh. These 5 words I swear to you. When you breathe, I wanna be the air for you. I'll be there for you. Whoa. Tanaw ta sa comment dito sa Facebook. Thank you so much, those people who are watching me on Facebook. Daghang salamat. Hello, Rina. Oh, I want to jam with you. Yes. Diana Qualls. Ano tayo Wi-Fi dito? It's okay. I think over here too. I got a bad signal. Close up, baby. Ato na ipinday. For you, these 5 words I swear to you. When you breathe, I wanna be the air for you. I'll be there for you. Living, I'll die for you. Still sun from the sky from you. Words can say what love can do. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. These 5 words I swear to you. When you breathe, I wanna be the air for you. I'll be there for you. Living, I die for you. Still sun from the sky from you. Words can't say what love can do. I'll be there for you. No. Oy, I think this J Duplicate is For Loving Me. Tanungin ko mamaya si Sir Bambi. Si ano to eh, si For Loving Me to eh. Ikaw For Loving Me? For Loving Me. Shout out J Duplicate. In Sabon Vlog, don't forget to visit the link that I pinned sa live chat. Yes. Okay, so what's gonna be next?
Heart failure causes nearly 2 hospitalizations every minute.
Hala.
Understanding
Ayan, ads na. Alright, mag-shoutout ta sa people on Facebook. Hello, shout out kay Rina Alcantara Miley. Yes, she's going live in January with her niece Gianna Qualls. So Gianna Qualls, don't forget to visit her channel. I'm guessing she has a channel also. So hello kay Inday Cherry and Sugabo. Thank you so much, Dai, for visiting Ishong TV this morning. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay, make sure you be there for me, okay? Inday, I hope you enjoyed earlier sa live show ni Ishong TV. And tomorrow at the same time, he will be going live also. It's very, it's entertaining. Malingaw jud ka ngadto. Yes, Rina, let me know so we can watch also and I can invite some of my YouTube friends to go and see you in January. All right, so if you have any requests, feel free to comment below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. What's next? It's still ads. Yeah, that's next. Ads pa rin. Alright, here's a song from Guns N' Roses. Kuyawan akong tirada eh. Talagang matters of the heart. Wow. Hugot ba? Ganun. I'm actually sitting on one more pillow because my chair is too low. And I have to sit up straight so I could sing your favorite song. This was a requested song on one of my lives on Facebook. Yes. Star FM. Inday. Mary TV. Hello, bahala na si PR din ha, Yaj. Shout out kay Baklang 2 Vloggers. Bahala na si PR din ha, Yaj. Basta, doktor. Ay, don't forget to make friends with Baklang 2 Vloggers. Yaj, ka na si Simon Vlog, palihog kong takla. Ako na siyang gipin din ha. Gwapa kay na siya, Yaj. As in, lucky juga na. Red horse by pagawas. Tuara. Yan, salamat. But darling, when I hold you, don't you know I feel the same? Yeah, di makagikan. Nothing lasts forever, and we both know hearts could change. Shout out Inday Vlogs, ang atong gwapa nga amiga din ha sa Dubai. Inday Vlogs, Baklang Vlogs, hello J Duplicate, alias for loving me. Come on, make friends with people over here, you know. Let's make friends, let's hug each other. Namatay, ay, siya di, ay mo dito, imong gidala dito sa, sabi na kung nagpa-make up ka dito, Yads. Señorita Enchantress, ang atong early bird. Please make sure you make friends with her. Takla-takla. Ana. Dikit-dikit. Kanta na, okay? Kantaw na daw ko. Played on the line, I caress my hand. You are mine. Oh, sige, Yaj. Good night, Yaj. I miss you. If you wanna love me, then darling, don't refrain. Yeah. Or I'll just end up walking in the cold November rain. Do you need some time on your own? Do you need some time all alone? Ooh, tell me, do you need some time on your own? Ooh, tell me, do you need some time all alone? Walay taga. I know it's hard to keep an open heart. Even friends seem out to harm you. But if you could heal a broken heart, wouldn't time me out to tell you? Malantong to si J Duplicate, malantong. Kambal ko po siya, kambal niya si For Loving Me, at siya naman yung nagmamahal sa akin. Wow, galing naman. Pareho kayo, you guys, gusto niyo akong asawahin. Asawa din nahanap ko eh.
Facebook shops. Your customers can easily browse.
Woohoo! Giputol bastos ang nag-upload ani. Alright, let's do some song. Kanang gi-record na nako nga mga audio. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I'm sorry, my love. Kung ikaw ay nasaktan ko, aking mahal, patawad. Oh, let me try and share this screen so you guys can watch it too. Yes, Inday Vlogs, don't forget, Dong, J, Duplicate, pakidikit naman kay Inday Vlogs, please. At saka kay Señorita Enchantress. I know they're just familiar people sa crowd, but you know, baka hindi mo pa sila dikit. So, don't forget to dikit-dikit with them. Let me just set this thing up. I just want to see the lyrics kasi hindi ko memorize. Okay. Alright, nasaan na ba yun? Nasaan ka na, aking sinta? Ako ngayon'y nag-iisa, lumapit na at magtakla, magbaba ng bahay. I can hear somebody still awake. Alright, ayaw niya ma-share. So, lang na ako share. Okay. Ay, di ko marinig. Hala, di ko marinig. Hala, kanina pa ako kanta-kanta dito. Hindi pala ako naririnig. Yeah, hold on. Hello kay Paul Jr. 1996. Ito kasing echo ko eh. Paul Jr. 1996, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to, takla si Inday Vlogs. Inday Vlogs is our friend from Dubai. And also J Duplicate. J Duplicate is kakambal ni For Loving Me. Mahina talaga pala siya. OMG. Nakakahiya naman. How about yan? Ay, embrace ko na nga itong aking mic para hindi siya mahina. Kasi naka-full na siya eh. Kaya nga parang pansin ko din, parang mahina din eh. Ay, alam ko na. Right. Thank you so much sa yung feedback. Alright, yan. Okay. Hello, sound chick. Yan, malakas na ba? Let me listen for a little bit. Takla si Inday Vlogs. Okay. Pinapakinggan ko yung yung aking boses. If tama lang ba yung... Okay, so don't forget to Mr. Paul Jr. 1996. Ang ganda po ng boses niya, yes. Siya po yung naalala ko, siya yung critic ni ni Kay Sala. Yes, kasi maganda din yung boses ni Paul Jr. 1996. Ewan ko lang, baka maging critic ko rin ito. Nakakaya naman. Do you have a request, sir, or any favorite song that maybe I could sing? Hold on 1 second. Dali lang ah. Parang may naririnig ako sumigaw. Bon Jovi, Bryan Adams, yeah, Firehouse, yes. Let me try and do this thing. I don't know how to pin this one lagi. Yes, sabi ni J Duplicate, si J Duplicate, mahilig ka din pala sa slow rock. Inday Mary, parehas tayo. Bon Jovi, Bryan Adams, Scorpion, Firehouse. Yeah, kasi ko dati alam mo na, rockista kasi ako dati, charing. Alright. Don't forget to visit Simon Vlog. Patakla daw, palike naman daw ng niya, pa-visit nung link na nilagay niya. Okay, ayan Jay ha, duplicate. Ay! Nahulog na yung aking, nahulog aking monitor. Patay, bili na ng bago. Alright, let's find a new song. Kanang magustuhan ni, yung magugustuhan ni, Paul Jr. 1996, and kay J Duplicate, of course, and for the rest of people who are here tonight. Yes, let me play that song. Salamat. Thank you so much sa pagdaan sa aking munting tahanan. Yes, sabi ni Vita Bitang, super tamsak ang galing. Wow. Thank you. Power wish ko makapaganito na hindi ma-CPR. Alam mo honestly, nasi-CPR ako kaya lang kasi what they said na ano kasi siya, it's yung apektado, hindi pa kasi ako, hindi naman ako monetize. Sandali, bigyan mo na kitang jacket. So, hindi naman ako monetize. Tapos, I just have to sing. And also, yung CPR daw, pagka monetize ka na, daw ha. Well, that's what I read. And I have been studying also yung mga, kung ano yung rules ng kwan. Yung CPR daw, pagka hindi naman siya strike, sinabi lang na may copyright claim, is yung ano lang daw, yung pera daw na mapupunta sa ads is doon sa may-ari ng nag-claim ng rights. Pero yung sa views, ang kikita mo sa views is going to you. So, so yung kikitain mo sa views, pupunta sa'yo. Pero yung kikitain mo sa ads, which is few cents lang naman, is gonna go to the owner ng nag-claim ng copyright. So to me, I think it's okay. Kasi marami din naman dyan, don't tell me yung mga karaoke channels dyan, I bet they're being, na ano din sila, may mga copyright claim. Ako marami din akong copyright claim. Yeah. Oo, be, marami din akong copyright claim. I know you know, kasi alam ko matagal ka na eh. Ako naman is, I'm baby. Matagal na yung mga videos ko sa YouTube. Pero ngayon lang kasi talagang nag-dive in dito. Alright, sinabi ko, bibigyan kitang jacket. Pero, sandali lang. I am ano kasi, I'm talkative by heart. Alright, okay, there you go. May jacket ka na, Evita Bitang. Yes. Yung term ng yung term ng YT, marami, kailangan mo talagang pag-aralan kasi it's complicated. So, meron din akong sinalihan na channel na yung ano ba yun, yung creator insiders. They actually discuss yung mga changes sa YouTube, yung mga ganun, mga terms and agreements. So, ganyan. So, don't forget to thumbs up and dikit guys kay Sivon Vlog. Sivon Vlog has a regular pa-contest din po. Meron din siyang, ano ba yan, yung kantanong. Yeah. So, nag-guest din ako doon sa kantanong na program niya. So, sabi ni, Evita, yes, meron din ako doon. Ay, nandun ka rin. Di ba ang ganda? Ang ganda-ganda doon. Tsaka paborito ko si Sean Connell. I like Sean Connell. Tsaka nakikinig na ako sa lagi ako nanonood sa vidIQ. Tsaka nag-attend ako doon sa training ni Sean Connell. Yeah. Kasi we need it. Hindi yung, we really need it. I mean, I'm not master naman. I'm still learning. Pero it's good that we know yung mga basic. Diba? Okay, shoutout kay Evita Bitang. Be, Sivon Vlog, hag-hag mo rin si Evita Bitang kasi malaki din yung channel ni Evita Bitang. Yes. And she also nag-ELS din siya. Yan. Alam mo, nakikita ko sa laptop ko is blurry yung aking mukha. Yes. Okay, so let's read out Jay, my special guest in the house. Ayan, sabi niya, I'm a music lover. Alright, I think nabasa ko na to. Mary, please, Christmas gift mo na lang. Okay. Di ka kompleto ang araw pag walang music. Pahingin mga DVD, CD ng kanta mo, Inday. Mary, please. Ala ka, parang kilala ko to eh. Para naman akong nito. Unsa naman ni Day, Sivon Vlog. Di kita paluluhain. Mamahalin kita. Oh my God, kinilig ako. Charing. Ikaw Inday, Vita Bitang, ka yung, kita ko kaya yung channel mo, no? I mean, you have worked hard. Well, it takes a while. Bago lang naman ako. I just started, mga 3 months ago, pero hindi ako nagle-live. Yung nag-judge lang ako sa isang contest. That's why I met Kay Sala. So if you guys know Kay Sala, don't forget to go. And parang yung mic ko. Yeah, don't forget to visit Kay Sala. Si Kay Sala po, meron din siyang cover song. Most of her contents are cover songs. And she has a very, very nice, soothing voice. Yeah, Inday Vlogs, hi Inday. Shout out Inday. Naay gikigwa diri Inday, OMG. Yes, ug unsay ato ang sunod nga kantahon, moy ato ang i-desider. Yes, Bisaya. Taga saan ka, be, Vita Bitang? Alright, let's do something else. Ito talaga si Jay Duplicate na. Bicolana di ay si Vita Bitang. Ako taga Cebu naman ako. Si Inday Vlogs. Taga-asa ka, day, Inday Vlogs? Taga saan ka nga, day? Si Inday Vlogs is Bisaya din. Yeah. So, pa siya Ads pa siya. Ay, taga Cebu po, day ka, day? Hala, hindi ko alam. I'm so sorry. Kaya pala, mag-aan na loob ko sa'yo, day. Yeah, sorry if nagulat mo. Mega love shout out! Jolly Boobies Vegas Land, ang babaeng ambisyosa. Asa kasi, hello mega love shout out dyan. Siya ang atong madam from Vegas. Yan. Pahag niyo si Madam Jolly Boobies Vegas Land. Yan, social yan siya. Siya ang babaeng ambisyosa. Isyang TV, Morning Dime, Marianne, Dan, Takla, Señorita Enchantress, BGBG. Yeah, wow. Maayo na kay ko, Madam Jolly Boobies. Kamao na ko mabasa ng mga inaalang icons, you know, and everything. Hello, don't forget, shout out sa atong tribo, Wakwak, tribo, Tibagnol, and everybody here in the house. Yes. Ay, J Duplicate, go ahead and check out Jolly Boobies. You know, baka ma-inlove ka rin doon. Kasi, parang parang natuloy ako, parang, OMG, parang naging Tagalog yata ako, Bisaya ako eh. Ang dami ko ng Counterpart po ba kayo ni Isyong TV? Member ako ni Isyong TV. Lagi akong nandoon kay Isyong TV. Kasi doon ko na-experience yung LS na, you know, I can be me. Kasi ako may pagkapilya. So when I'm there, I can talk to him and yung talagang it's nice na ganda pala pagka yung kausap mo sa chat or yung mga visitors mo sa bahay mo, you don't ignore them. 'Di ba? They feel special. So ayan. So hello Tinday Morning, sabi ni Isyang TV. Yes, lagi din sa akin nun si Kuya Isyong. Hoy Isyong, asa naman ka? Ba't di ka na bumibisita kay Evita Bitang? Sino to tumatawag? OMG. Alam nyo, gumawa ako ng room sa sa Facebook, and now I cannot delete it. So everybody who clicks on that room ends up calling me. Yeah, without them knowing na tumatawag pala sila. Ay, nag-work pala si Isyong. Connect na tayo, host. Yes. Okay, there you go. Let me go and sing now. Intermission muna tabay, ha? Pa-CPR sa ta. Alright. It's a song from White Lion, When the Children Cry. Child, dry your crying eyes. How can I explain the fear you feel inside? As you were born into this evil world, man is killing, and no one knows just why. What have we become? Just look what we have done. All that we destroyed, you must build again. When the children cry, let them know we try. 'Cause when the children sing, let the new world begin. Little child, you must shout the way to a better day for all the young. As you were born for the world to see, that we all can live in love and peace. Hello, shout out kay Jasmine Galas Ibrahim. Hello, Dime. Matagal-tagal hindi kita nakita. May in love jud magbalik. Hello. Don't forget to hug our handsome J Duplicate here, and also Takla Saivon Vlogs link above and beyond. Di sa taas. O dire. Yes, pakaroon pa ko ng istorya. Salamat sa pa-BG-BG Inday Evita Bitang. Shout out again kay Jasmine Galas Ibrahim. Enjoy your shower, Inday Evita. Good morning, Philippines! Good morning din sa America. It's already 1 a.m. in the morning. Oh, almost 1 a.m. in Texas. What have we become? Just look what we have done. All that we destroyed, you must build again. No more presidents, and all the walls will end. Paloda niya ka na mo. Well, under God, when the children cry, let them know we try. 'Cause when the children sing, let them new world begin. Palod na niya ka na mo, Inday. Isyang TV, kamusta na daw kaday? Yes, kuyaw kaya to ang title tonight. It's Drifting Melodies from the Heart. Yes, so kinsa man din ha ang nag-agib, nagdrama day. Ang nag-agib si J Duplicate man itong nag-agib.
Now's the time to find a health plan on healthcare.gov. Sign up.
Kinsa ditong nag-agib? Morning, Day. Okay lang daw siya, hatagi tag-load diha, madam. Oh, taga, ambi mo hang kuan, kay padalang ka na kog load, kanang di ka makadaog sa kadaghan. Inday, Jasmine Galas Ibrahim, Day. Okay, unsa man ni nako ha? Okay, day. All right. So, don't forget to patamsak sa kanang link ni Inday Saivon Vlog. Isyang TV, okay, rasa day, magpasana all na lang ko ani. Hala, sure ka, madam. Yes, magpaload tang tanan. Agoy, nalamang. Sa metong kantahon na ni, kanang matuog si unsa. O, sige, kanina lang. Ako ning i-dedicate sa akong mother. Magpadala tag pinaskuhan sa Okay. Alright, dahil kanta nga akong i-dedicate sa akong mama, Norma. As we walk the golden mile down the pretty aisle, I know that you are mine, and there's nothing in this world that I know would not do to be near you every day, every hour, every minute. Take my hand and let me lead the way. All through your life, I'll be by your side till death do us part. Baby, I'll be your friend. My love will never end till death do us part. When I wake up every day with you lying in my arms, I wonder if I'm dreaming. When I look into your eyes, I just can't believe it's true, and that my heart belongs to you. Baby, we can have it all. Girl, take my hand and let me lead the way.
winter nights. I'll keep you warm inside, yeah, baby, I will. Wow! Shout out sa kita kong dunggan, kusog kayo ako monitor. That song's dedicated to my mama. Yes, na-request si Jasmine. Sana ngayong Pasko. All through your life, I'll be by your side till death do us part. Baby, I'll be your friend. My love will never end till death do us part. All through your life, I'll be by your side till death do us part. Yeah, baby, I'll be your friend. My love will never end till death do us part. I'll be there, baby, I'll be there all through your life. And I know that you'll be there, know that you'll be there waiting for me. Baby, I'll be there all through your life, and I know that you'll be there. Yes, na-request si Jasmine Galas. Yang request kay sana ngayong Pasko. Yeah. We're gonna try to sing the Sana Ngayong Pasko on a different, yung parang special sa. So it will be recorded. Also yung kay request ni Madam Ishang. Yung request ni Madam Ishang TV. I know you requested that last time. Hindi kasi ako marunong, but we are practicing that song for you. Yes, there you go. Pwede iba na lang. Pwede ibang request. Alright, let's go to Noel. Nag-a-ads pa yung ating karaoke. Alright, so there you go. Tutanawan. 15 ato ang mga viewers sa Facebook. Inday Evita Bitang. Sarap maligo, no? Pag may slow rock. Okay. Wala akong makita sa ano ko, sa Facebook ko. Alright, I think gi-kick out na ako sa Facebook. Alright, hindi ko makita siya. Alright, so shout out sa aking 7 million viewers. Dagag salamat. Let's do another song. I'm gonna sing this song for... Pwede alternative na lang po, Inday Ishang TV. Okay, akong feeling ba, bungol ako ang mic. But it's probably my headphone kasi ano siya eh. Meron kasi siyang parang bass na.
Framing with this camera.
Okay, galit na yung nag-a-ads. Kailangan mo daw i-frame yung camera. Sa Evita Bitang, sinasabayan lang kita sa pagkanta. Thank you so much, be. Ito, kanta tayo. Evita Bitang, sabi ni Jasmine Galas, hello, madam. Actually, ang kanta na ako for Ishang TV. Talaga. I-play nyo to, ha? Play all, ha? Play all. Yes, play all, ha? Play all. Pa-play all ko rin kayo. Hearts have been too battle, our souls have been too old. We've lost the will to carry on. We don't believe no more. But what were we that
so easy. It used to be so good. We had an understanding. We had misunderstood. I thought we were survivors, and we never would go down. But now it just outside us as our love come tumbling down. Victims of love, a broken down affair. So sad to see the debris scattered everywhere. Victims of love, still cannot believe we're the victims of the love cannot retrieve. Maybe we played it a bit too shy, and everything was hearts and roses. But things kept in a cozy door, and we were just left standing. And we realized the ending was so near. Where we go from here? Victims of love, a broken down affair. So sad to see the debris scattered everywhere. Victims of love, still cannot believe we're the victims of love. Victims of love. Victims of love cannot retrieve. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Victims of love. Ang mga biktima sa gugma din ha. Shout out kang kaning
With Facebook Shops,
shout out
connecting
kang PA Evita Betang. Dagag salamat sa imuhang paninja ninja dyan. Dagag salamat sa imong PA ni Vitang. Yes, ato ni siyang moderator. Yan. Inday 7 Vlog, okay lang dai, BGBG. I know you guys are working. So don't forget po to click the link up there sa ako ang live chat. Hello. Ayun pa, meron pa isa. OMG, daghag salamat. Yes, anybody who's watching right now on Facebook, don't forget to go to my YouTube channel. It's Inday Mary TV. And kasi nahirapan po akong mag-switch ng I can't see your comments, but if you want to comment and you want to request a song, I still have a few probably minutes left before my camera dies. So ito yung parang timer ko. Yes. Ako si Inday Mary TV ako. Yan. Meron akong Facebook page, si Inday Mary TV. Yes, there you go. So let's be friends, Uy, ayoko niyan. Masyado mataas yan. Alright, let's go and find another song. Alright, sandali lang. Let me just go ahead and check out yung aking Facebook. Kasi kawawa naman din sila. Alright, shout out sa akong mga viewers dito. Hello sa nag-like. Sa atong mga likers doon, thank you so much Sapphire, Christina Dolotina Cal, si Jolly Boobies, Maricel, dagag salamat. And let me see, Bea Ikong, thank you so much for watching. Hello, don't forget to visit my Inday Mary TV channel here on YouTube. Naka-follow. Yes, naka-follow ka, Be. I know. Ikaw nga yung unang naka-follow eh. Dapat may may points. I'm actually making a point system on my channel. So, kung mag-subscribe ka, you will have points. Tapos, pagka manood ka, there will be points. I'm actually setting it up on Streamlabs.obs, but I am unfortunately still having a problem setting up that thing because it's not compatible with my OS. Yan. So, let's go ahead and start singing now. Alright, shout out Alipin. Ay, naku, magpalo na ako doon. Sige, magpalo ka day kay may points day. Tapos mamigay ako ng Balintos Coffee day. At mamigay din ako ng load, ganun. Yan, kailangan na ng water break. Alright, here's another song. Ito lang muna yung replace ko sa request ni Jasmine Dallas Ibrahim. Alright. So, it's another slow. I could start dreaming, but it never ends. As long as you're gone, we may as well pretend I've been dreaming straight from the heart. You say it's easy, but who's to say that we'll be able to keep it this way? But it's easier said from the heart. Oh, give it to me straight from the heart. Tell me we can make another start. No, I'll never go as long as I know, coming straight from the heart. I'll see you on the street some other time, and all was will just fall out of line. I was dreaming straight from the heart. Oh, give it to me straight from the heart. Tell me we can make one more start. No, I'll never go as long as I know, coming straight from the heart. Thank you, Ben. Don't ever leave me, darling. Ay, kami Yes, on November 28, we will have a contest at Bowden Family Channel. So don't forget to go over there, visit that channel, and win lots of loads. And WH, Inday Jasmine Galas, bisita sa the Bowden Channel, the Bowden Family Channel on November 28, 8:30 a.m. po sa Philippine time. So, there will be a wild cards contest po ng mga nanalo ng singing contest for the past 3 months. So, karong November 28. So, that's gonna be 8:30 a.m. sa Pilipinas. Ako siyang i-post later ang flyers. Yes, baby love. You want load? There you go. There's load over there. Loads of loads. Oh no, oh no, straight from the heart. No, I'll never go as long as I know, it's coming straight from the heart. Yes, atong balikon. Alright, sa November 28 po, let me, ato ko na siyang i-share, be. Yes, so this is the channel, the Bowden Family. So if hindi pa po kayo dikit kay the Bowden Family, puntahan nyo na po. Tapos, I think na meron na siyang premiere. So, isa po kami sa sponsor. Isa po ako sa sponsor ng contest na to. And it's really fun. It's a fun contest po sa November 28 kasi marami kami doon. Andun din si Bisdak Chef. Yes, the very handsome Bisdak Chef is there. And also, I think Jane Lewis will be there. And it's gonna be full of surprises. Fun and surprises. Share day. Okay, share na ko karon na. Now na. Hold on lang kay. Naaman to siya gi-post. Alright, here you go. Let me share this. Dere. Share screen. Okay. Right, there you go. Okay, sandali lang ha. Bear with me, mga love. Alright, ayan. Yan. So, ayan na po yung ano natin. So, that is our contest on November 28. So, let me read out po yung ating ano po. So, wild card. That's gonna be a wild card edition. Star is Born, the Bowden family. Madam Amor will be there. Sino pa? Hindi ko kasi mabasa. I'm so sorry. Ayan, parang na-zoom in ko na. Alright. Paano ba to i-zoom? Paano daw to i-zoom? Okay, there you go. Ayan, Inday Jasmine, dyan tayo makaka-load tayo dyan. And also, don't forget to support also Evita Bitang and Simon Vlog. Bisitahin mo rin sila. I know, friends na kayo, but they also have random, may mga laging pa-contest din sila. So, it's really fun. Also, earlier, shout out po kay Madam Ki. I was there earlier. And it was also fun over there. Ang dami din niya pa-contest. Sumali din ako. Nakakaloka. Yes. Okay. So, balik tayo sa ating munting ano. So, if you have any questions po, feel free to send us a message on Inday Mary TV Facebook page. I'll be very happy to okay, nawala na ko. I'll be very happy to entertain you over there if I'm not here. Alright, here's another song. Dapat ito may yung male part. Dagang salamat, Inday, sa patamsak. Day, don't forget ha, sa November 28. Okay, arita diri. Pakijuwit tayo po. Alright, asa naman to yung unsa? Meron yun siya dito Male part. Fixing a broken heart. Wala ko join kay contestant. Ano man ko, judge man ko. Pero na ako igapilan, lain po siya dito sa Bigo nga app. Kari na lang, sige na lang. There's nothing to say the day she left. Just fill this suitcase full of regrets. I hailed a taxi in the rain. Inday, akong FB kay Inday Mary TV. Then like an answered prayer, you make the loneliness easy to bear. You really know where to start, fixing a broken heart. You really know where to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams are falling apart. Fixing a broken heart. I never could understand what you're going through. It must be a plan that led me to you. Because the hurt just disappears every moment you're near. Harang ka dyan. Harang sa imong mata. Pag sure na TV Papa Oel, oy. Kabalos po ka na. You really know where to start, fixing your sa ni kantaho ni kaning dublikara bitaw maglibog ka. Unsa tuno imuha pang babae pa or pang lalaki? Ato ning ilisdan be kay maulaw ta ni. Kay nara ba diri si TV Papa Owel. Shout out kay TV Papa Owel nga nagpaharang. Daghang salamat sa imong paharang. Bye. Yes, di ay kanta gikan ni TV Mama Owel. Si Mama nga na ay daghagowel. StreamYard na akong gamit kaya ako ang Streamlabs gabi ni corrupt na pod. Yeah, dili man sila kumpat. Ngano kang murag bungol ako ang mic, no?
Quality and value belong together. Shop the Joseph A. Bank
Oh,
Holiday Sales
StreamYard
Event.
na siya.
Dress shirts and sport shirts starting at $3.
Hasta ang ads. Giganahan pod. Yeah. Pila pa di ay imo ba? Gamay pa kay kog banana eh. Piso pa lang. Here's a song for more banana. Shoutout sa atong 5 ka million na viewers. I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to come and get it straight from you. I said you were leaving, someone set my heart away. From the look upon your face, I see it's true. So tell me all about it, tell me about my plans to make it. Tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Okay. Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is gone? Uy, na paano ba, J Duplicate? Paanong nagharang si Lolo? Didn't come here to break down. Just a dream of mine, it's coming through an end. How can I blame you if I build my world around? Hope that one day we'll be so much more than friends. I don't want to know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Oh, even now it's more than I can take. Tell me, how baka nag-ads na yun. Nagdila Anghel ka, nag-ads siya.
This is the weekend calls. When you get $50
Yes, pa-ads muna ta sa atong ano. Hindi kasi nag-ads kasi yung ano ko, yung mga background sound. Kaya parang may ads. Yan. Okay, parang hindi talaga ako komportable sa ano ko. Siguro ito yung, palitan ko na to. Jay, bilhan mo naman ako ng headphone, yung bagong headset pala. Akit ka na. O, akit ko mamaya. Depende sa inyo ang net. Yes, mag-ano to dito. Magkantatag. Jay Duplicate, visit Saigon Vlogs LS later on. Yeah, I will be there. And I am going to be there. Charing. Alright. So, let's do maybe 2 more songs and matulog na ta. Victims of love talaga. Yes, we are victims of love. Yes, we are all victims of love, aren't we? Now, here's a song. I don't want to talk about it. Muling binuhay ang kanta sa karaoke. I don't want to talk about it in the Saivon. Shout out sa akong 5 million viewers. Yes, chill lang ta ninyo. Drifting the melodies from the heart. I can tell by your eyes that you're probably been crying forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. There are mirrors. And I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. After this, if I stand all alone, will the shadows have the colors of my heart? Blue for the tears, black for the night's fears. The sky and the sky don't mean nothing to you. There are mirrors. And I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke this poor heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Whoa, my heart. Atong Lelio ng Facebook. About it, how you broke this poor heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart. Whoa, my heart, my poor heart. Whoa, my heart. Yes, si J Duplicate says, sabi ni J Duplicate, I like that song by Rod Stewart. Inday Mary, your voice is so smooth, so cool. Smooth na lang kasi hindi kasi nakainom ng tubig. Alright. Shout out sa 3 million viewers. Yeah, there you go. That was a song from Rod Stewart. Here's a song requested by TV Papa. Oh well, here's a song called I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing. Alright, pero magpa-ads muna daw. Kay, para makapera naman si Sing King. Salamat, Sing King. Alright, kadogay. By Nerd's channel is live tonight, so don't forget to visit his channel also. Tapos to tapay. Okay na day, why problema? Chill ako, chill. I could stay awake, feeling your heart beating, and I'm wondering what you're dreaming. Wondering if it's me seeing. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is moment I treasure. I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Lying close to you, feeling your heartbeat. And I'm wondering what you're dreaming, wondering if it's me you're seeing. And then I kiss your eyes and thank God we're together. I just wanna spend with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss one smile, I don't wanna miss one kiss. I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. I just wanna hold you close, I feel your heart so close to mine, and just stay here in this moment for all the rest of time. Don't close my eyes, dream. Oh, sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dreams will never do. I still miss you, babe. I don't wanna miss a thing. Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep, yeah. I don't wanna miss a thing. Yes. Still miss you, babe. I don't wanna miss a thing. Yes. There you go. That was a requested song by TV Papa. Oh well, shout out nimo diha, May. Salamat sa pa-request. Salamat sa pa-request. Request naman dyan. Yes, there you go. Unsa man akong mic mo? Hinay mo kusog. Hinay mo kusog. Tagak man guni ako ang cloud lifter. Okay. Alkansi ang mga nangatulog. Yes, here lang Inday. Thank you so much Inday. Salamat sa pagsuporta. Yes, salamat sa atong pagsuporta mga langga. Kay kuan, mag last 2 songs na ko para makatulog na mo, okay? Kaya basig dili mo katulog. I know. Well, here's a song dedicated to my cousin in Europe, si Peter Ogden, si Emily Ogden. Yeah, this is one of her favorite songs. This is one of the theme songs sa iyahang beloved hubby. Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heart with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? We sailed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms. Now the message si Simon Blanc. Tagda po daw. Asa naman eh. Here lang Inday, nag-PM ko ni mo tagda yung taon. Wala ko kita. Living without you, living alone. This empty house seems so cold. Wanting to hold you, wanting you near. How much I wanted you. Oh, another message si ano nako. Langga din ako makita. Where can I find that new message? Okay, I see it now. Ako dito bago no niya day after ani nga kanta kay na si ano din na ako special guest in the house. Charing. Uy. All right. Alright, maglasang natin yung mga dodong, mga inday. Anyways, ay mo kalimot on November 28, akong balikon og show ha. Okay. November 28 po sa The Bowden Family Channel. There is a wild cards contest po. It's a Star is Born presents Wild Card Edition, a live event for a casual fundraising for the Philippines from the Bowden family. Highlighting Samuel, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you, baby. Baby love. I'm sorry I used to that word. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you. It's nice to meet you. I love the food that you're cooking on your channel. Hey, guys, don't forget to make friends with Lighting Samuel. Samayal pala, I'm sorry. Lighting Samuel, yes. I met him at, I met this channel from Home Cooking Food Lovers, yes. Dun po si Inday Vlogs. Yeah. Friend, Lighting Samayal, you went to Inday Vlogs earlier. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys for visiting her channel. Right now, she is in Dubai and I think she's working right now. But she does appreciate everybody and she's going to hug everybody back. Yeah, so and me and my daughter are also going to visit your channels and going to hug you back. Just like that. All right, so let's go back to, don't forget to visit the Bowden channel, the Bowden family channel on November 28, 8:30 a.m. Philippine time. That's going to be a wild card edition. People are going, I mean, not people. So, those who won for the past 3 months, na yung, except yung mga na first, yung mga nanalo from second, third, parang ganun. They're going to compete for the grand finals in December. So ayan, the graphics is too small and my eyes are but there will be a lot of prizes to be given away. There will be a raffle prize, 2 winners of 500 WH, 2 winners of 300 WH, 4 winners of 50 WH, 20 winners of. So Sir Bambi Rarican is one of the sponsor of this contest. So if you guys want to meet a lot of banana that is not tibagnol, go ahead and visit the Bowden family channel, also Sir Bambi Rarican's channel. It's very fun over there and you will not regret visiting their channels and be part of the family. Yes, and of course tomorrow morning 11 a.m. That's US time, and I think that's 1 p.m. Philippine time. Ishong TV. Don't forget to visit Ishong TV. It's fun over there. It's mostly Bisaya, but there's also Tagalog and other friends from India. We got other people going there, and it's fun over there. It's mostly we got a chit chat and some naughty chit chat. So it's fun there. So if you guys like to have fun, go visit Ishong TV channel. And of course, Saivon TV, Saivon Vlog, the one that I pin on my the chat box, the one that message that's been pinned over there. If you would like, tomorrow she will have a live contest. Yes, and I will be there, and I'm going to take part of her contest. So here we go. Let's do our last song, and thank you so much for staying and listening, and I'd like to shout out to Señorita Enchantress for being here early, Jay, Duplicate, Simon Vlog, daghang salamat Inday kay Sala, TV Papa Owell, Inday Vlogs, daghang salamat, thank you. Jasmine Galas Ibrahim, daghang salamat Inday, thank you. Of course, ato ang precious Evita Bitang and her kanyang mga ninja kids, salamat kayo Inday Evita. Ishang TV, daghang salamat Ishang TV, kisa pa man natong visitors din hi. And of course, Lighting Samuel. Oh, I'm so sorry, I've been talking and okay, there you go. Yes, so Lighting Samuel po, he's our friend from India. I'm just guessing it's a he, kasi hindi ko po nakita. I think she or he. Hello my friend, you can drop your link here, and I will also try to help you out with the rest of my friends at Ishong TV channel. Okay. I think that was a lot. All right, here's an inspirational song for everybody from
Healthier homes start
from
with
the
healthier
Healthier
air.
Homes.
Our cap
Yes. Oh, and before that, let me play an ads before that. I just want to try this one. Sorry. Okay. It's a very short ad. This has been requested by our very own Kasipi Rapshel Alderson. Thank you so much for supporting me on this journey. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so I want to show this to everybody. Saan naman to? That's me. Yes, thank you so much. That was that's Valentis. Yes, yan po yung that's the coffee that I was drinking and helped me lost 70 pounds over the course of 6 to 8 months po. It's just coffee. Yes, and I was just sharing that one earlier at Ishong TV's. So I was thinking maybe I could also share it with you guys. Anyways, here we go. That's a real quick. All right, here we go. Nagsugod na nga tong last song for tonight. Thank you so much sa inyong tanan. All right, tong balikon. Myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. Hello, brother, thank you so much for visiting. There is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be. There will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Shout out to you, home cooking food lovers. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Hello guys, home cooking food lovers. He helped us earlier at Inday V Vlogs. Inday Vlogs, yes, Inday Vlogs. She was so happy and thankful that you guys went over to her live show. I know you guys had a live show earlier. I'm so sorry. I don't know how it works. I do apologize, home cooking food lovers. Thank you so much. Here's my last song for tonight, and this one I'm giving it out to you and your team, home cooking food lovers. Let it be, let it be, let it be. when the night is cloudy, there is still light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. I wake up to the sound of music. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be. There will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. Yes, there you go. Natapos din. Let it be, folks. That was thank you so much. And before I go, Ishang TV, if you're not friends with home cooking food lovers, make sure you guys visit his channel. He actually helped out si Inday Vlogs kaganiha. Yeah, so Inday Vlogs, I think there were like 15 of them who went to her ni-raid nila si Inday Vlogs kanina. It was let it be, yes, let it be. Before I go, let me post this thing. All right, let's do our goodbye ads from Valentes. Yes, so if you guys haven't seen my transformation, feel free to scan my channel. Sabi ganun. Alright, asa na ba yun si alright, si Kigwa. Nasa na ba yun si Kigwa?
Hello, good morning. I have a new cameraman here in
Nagloading. Okay.
5 and I'm gonna do my way in, so let's check it out. Can you close up? Show them. Show them the money. 125.6. Good job.
All right, thank you so much. Good night, everyone. Good morning, Philippines, and good morning. Have a good day over there sa Middle East, and have a great day in India. Oh, this is kung sa may nag-LS ni si Karn, nag-LS si Ate Melmig, oh. Sorry, Ate Melmig, dili ko kapamutang-tang. I'm so sorry. Hold on. All right, there you go. Thank you. Bye-bye. Daghang salamat.
Okay, si paminaw na ka, aron malingisigan ka.
Yeah, dili siya mo good. Kung i-play akong video, dili siya gusto. Alright, let me stop the screen sharing. And let's do this. Dili siya bye. There you go. All right, thank you.
But what makes us different isn't just how long we've been around, it's how far we're willing to go in pursuit of the perfect cup. We select only the finest beans and use over 4 generations of family roasting experience to give you the richest, most delicious coffee around. Find Community Coffee at your local grocery store or visit communitycoffee.com to order some today.
Oh my God, the holidays are near. They're almost here.